Our tub surround needs to come 2 inches past the tub, and we'll put legs down to the floor. That way we cover for the water. So we're going to go 2 inches past the tub. We're 31, which makes this bottom 33. So now we're going to measure for our widths, and we're going to do two things with our straight edge. First of all, we're going to see if we can push our wall straight. If you put enough silicone behind there, you can push it straight, which makes it nice when you go to cut it. So instead of drawing a plumb line on the outside, we're just going to just plumb on our back wall. So we're looking at this, it's not plumb. We're going to move it out. It looks like it's about, we can measure it exactly, it looks like it's about 1/4 inch. So if our bottom is going to be 33, this is going to be 33 1/4 to make this thing plumb on the outside. Done. Another thing we want to check while we're here is all of this that goes on here. You know, we're going to fill that in. So it's straight to here. It comes out about here straight. And then it looks like our low spots are like right here and right here. And that looks like it's 1/4 inch. And we will translate that to our panel. But so we come straight for 6 inches. We've got to drop at 20 and 22. And then from 30 on, it goes straight to the end. And when we go to cut our panel, we'll show you how to reference that. We're going to measure our holes. We've got a spout for the tub. We've got the mixer valve. We don't have a shower head because it's below it. So it's nice to measure from a fixed surface. The tub is fixed, back wall is fixed. You know, trying to measure off of lines from the other way, just ridiculous. Anyway, so, and they're always different. So we got 14.5 over on this guy. Another cool trick is you can scratch the top of it with your tape measure, and that'll give you your center. So this one's 14 3/4 height, and then our measuring up, we've got 4 13/16. And then this guy center is looks like about 13.5. And there's your holes. We popped in, we have our big square that we love dearly. It'll become your life, your world. We're going to set it on the tub. We're going to see where it touches first. It touches at the bottom first. So what is our gap here at the top? Our gap at the top is 3/4 inch. And that 3/4 inch is going to translate to the bottom. And we'll get to that when we go to cut our panel. So our height is 58 and 5/8. I'm going to write that in our little guide. And then our outage was 3/4 inch. And I always circle it. That way I know what I got going on. And that all that's going to translate is we measure our widths, we measure our height, and then we rotate our square that 3/4 inch, and then we can mark our bottom. So we're going to real time the end panel. All right, so I'm going to go 2 inches past. Boom, we're going to be 33 at the bottom again. Our height can't change because we got to match this height. This guy is 59. Oh, dang it. And then we're going to get our square out. We're going to push our wall straight real quick with our level on it. We're straight. We're going to check for level. Okay, our bottom is 33. We've got a gap here, 33 1/4. Now we're going to check our outage and also our bottom. Square's touching there. We got a gap of 1/4 inch at the top. Rotate at the bottom. Same thing over here with this tub, we're straight to there, straight to there. And it looks like we got about 5/16 right here in the middle. So we're gonna measure those little gaps real quick. So we are over 5 on this guy, 16, 17, and then straight to the end at 30. Okay, so this translates to our paper. This translates to our paper. Outage is here. We're 33, 33 and a quarter, 59 high. We got a quarter outage. And then we got to deal with the bottom. So we come over straight 5, 16 and 17, we've got a drop of 5/16 of an inch. And at 30, we're straight out. We're ready to cut this one.